Sai Ram, dear children. Today I am teaching clothes in India, class 3, EVS part 1, chapter 16. So first let us have the introduction of this lesson, children. So weaving is the interlacing of two or more threads or piece of material in order to create a cloth, that is weaving. I will show you the picture. This is weaving. Here you can observe where there is an interlacing of two or more threads in order to create a cloth. Okay. So we wear different clothes according to the seasons, right? For example, cotton clothes in summer, woolen clothes in winter, and so on. According to the season, we'll wear. For example, these both we can take. So the variation of clothes is well known to us. But do you know that in India, okay, we wear different clothes, and this is in summer we wear cotton clothes in summer, right? These are the for some example pictures, and this is some example pictures of woolen dress, right? In winter we will wear this, right? So in India, clothes or dressing style of people also varies from state to state. Okay. So let us know about different types of dresses worn by people in different states of India. So this you can see where different people wear different types of dress, right? So next, clothes of women in northern India are like Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, etc. So there they will wear salwar kameez. So salwar is a type of loose trousers which is worn with loose kurta known as kameez. Understood, children? So it is prevalent among women. So this Indian dress is usually accompanied by dupatta also. Understood? So like the same, this is salwar kameez, right? So in Jammu and Kashmir, this salwar kameez is also known as firan salwar. It is worn along with a scarf or chunni. Okay? So you can see the Jammu and Kashmir dress, right? Like that, in next we have loom. Loom is a device used to weave cloth in earlier time. This used to weave a cloth. This machine is called as loom. Okay, it is a device used to weave cloth in earlier time. Okay, so now in summary, weaving is the interlacing of two or more threads in order to create a cloth. And next, according to the season, we will wear clothes like in summer we will wear cotton clothes, and in winter we will wear woolen clothes. So it varies from state to state, to like their dressing styles of people also varies from state to state. So clothes of women of like Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, like northern India wear salwar kameez. So salwar kameez is also known as firan salwar in Jammu and Kashmir. This was in this part, right? So next we have questions. So first question, what is weaving? Okay, children, you have to answer it. Second question, we wear cotton clothes in dash. Third question, we wear woolen clothes in dash. Fourth question, India clothes are dressing style of people varies from dash to dash. Fifth question, a dash is a device uses to wave cloth in earlier time. Okay, you should answer it. Find out the answer in video, write down all the questions in your classwork and answer it. Okay children, so keep practicing. Thank you.